What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. I didn't tell you guys any of this, but we're going to Ocean City Cruising Week. Hopefully not getting any tickets, but we'll see. That's kind of part of it, but you know, we'll see. Hopefully we come out scot-free, and yeah, you know. So we got the car all shined up. This one at least. Brandon's not taking his because we haven't fixed it yet. But taking that, not taking this. But that's Nick. We'll meet him in a little bit. Got Brandon. He's taking his truck. He's sitting on the tailgate with some Chick-fil-A. Let's get to the ride.
I think it's time to reload.
Alright guys, so we are on the road. Right now we're at Cracker Barrel, right across the bridge. So we made it across the bridge. And for you guys that don't know, this is Nick. Y'all never met him, but that's Nick. He's coming with us. Brandon over here. Right there. So yeah, we're gonna get something to eat, and then we'll get back on the road. See you later. Alright, so we made it to the hotel, about to get our stuff, head up to the room. Yeah, that's it behind us. Look at these clowns. Oh my god, it looks exactly like the one last year. Alright, so we're gonna go down there and watch the cars, because that's what you do. Alright guys, so that ends this video. Today we didn't really record much, but hope you enjoyed today's video. You'll see tomorrow's video next week. Yeah, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. If you see your car in any of these videos, comment down below which one's yours. And of course, as always, we'll see you in the next one.
ストより CD 番組でございます。